Introducing T2 Unity, the ultimate team building experience from the people, performance people. Made up of 3 unique team building days, T2 Unity has been created to build and enhance team performance through a combination of theoretical and kinesthetic learning. T2 Connect is perfect for connecting a brand new team. The interactive activities are designed to put team members into situations and scenarios that will enable them to form a solid foundation. T2 Teamship is perfect for existing teams that want to improve communication and commitment. The team will emerge from the day with the tools and skills required to enhance their overall productivity and performance. T2 Squad Games is a team tournament day designed for larger functions or departments. Working in smaller squads, the delegates take part in activities designed to create friendly, tactical rivalry. To see how T2 Unity can benefit your organisation, contact us at help@trans2performance.com.